Hey guys, Penguin Tech here. Today we are going to unbox this GPU, the Powercolor Red Devil RX580. This is a 8GB version. Here we have the box. Here's the side, the top. Here's the Radeon logo. Here is the back of the GPU showing all the details, the heatsink, the back plate, the fan. But as you can see, this is a used set. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. We are greeted with another box. Yep. Protective foam here. Side. Here is a card by the Red Devil. Welcome to the Devil Club. You are one of us now. This is the installation guide. And it still comes with an installation disc. Yep. Let's throw that aside. And here is our GPU. And there's nothing else in the box already. Let's put it aside. This is the Powercolor Red Devil RX580. This has an 8GB GDDR5 running at 2000 MHz. So in total 8 GHz. Here is the I/O. We have 3 display port, 1 HDMI port, and 1 DVI port. As you can see, this card takes a little bit more than 2 slots, so be careful if you try to install this in a small case. It's about 46 millimeters, and to me it's about 2.3 slot. At the thickest point, this GPU measures about 46 millimeters. This is about more or less about 24 cm long, and it takes up to about 12.5 cm wide. This actually can still fit in a fractal design Nano S with a ATX power supply, but then you might choke the GPU. So here is our, as you can see, twin fans and dual ball bearing. Also, these fans do not spin until they hit 60 degrees Celsius, so it stays quiet when you're idling, and they draw less power. The diameter is about 9.5. This is a 95mm fan. Here's the heatsink. As you can see, we have this GPU needs one 8-pin and one 6-pin to power up. This GPU is rated 185 watt, and so it draws quite a lot of power. Now this is the LED switch. This will turn on this Red Devil logo here, but sadly this is not RGB, this is only red color. So this is turn on and this is turn off. Here we have another BIOS switch, 2 switches here. One is OC and this one is silent. OC, it will run at 1380 MHz. Silent, it will run at 1350 MHz, so just minus 30 MHz. Just tiny bit slower only. As you can see, no crossfire pin here. AMD no longer needs it because you can run it through the PCIe. And here is the back plate. It's metal. It's quite thick, like 1.5 millimeter thick. As you can see, there's a little bit of gap here. This is the screw that locks in the heatsink onto the GPU chip. And these fans, actually you can find replacement here, as these can be taken out, and you need to remove 3 screws in here. And actually this is the GPU fan power connector. For this one, this is the LED power connector. As you can see, this GPU has a very beefy heatsink, very dense, so to cool off the GPU. You can see there's like 4 heatsink here from the GPU chip sitting on. You can see it more clearly if you refer to my video here that shows when I replace the thermal paste on the GPU chip. It's actually just aluminium, no copper inside. So talk about the spec. So this one is an 8GB GDDR version. This RX580 has 2304 stream processors and a 256 memory interface. So this GPU will run fine on all modern games on 1080p. You can refer to my previous videos to check out the performance of this GPU when I coupled it with my Ryzen 1600X. Alright, well, I think that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye bye.